the Timberville Inn. I'm Marcy. I'll be your host. How can I help you?
Need a room.
Of course you need a room. What else would you be doing here, huh? Let's see, honey, what do we got? How would room 23 be for you, huh? You're not from around here, are you? No, I didn't think so. I mean, if you were, I would certainly know you because everybody in this town knows everybody. Why, do you know the last person stayed right here in your room? And he was real quiet, hardly said a word. And yet, I'm telling you, the day after he left, 12 policemen must have come marching right through it. All right, honey, that's okay. You just go upstairs, make yourself comfortable. We'll take care of signing in business later. It's